Hey everyone! If you've ever found yourself drowning in spreadsheets, switching between tools, and struggling to keep your data organized, you're not alone. Managing projects and business workflows shouldn't feel like a full-time job. That's where Stackby comes in, a no-code platform that lets you build custom databases, automate tasks, and streamline your entire workflow. Let's dive in and see how it works. Stackby is like your spreadsheets, but supercharged. You can create and customize databases, automate workflows, and visualize data in multiple ways, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a marketing agency, project manager, or small business owner, Stackby helps you turn scattered data into organized, actionable insights. Custom databases. Start from scratch or use one of 1,000 plus pre-built templates. Import data from Google Sheets, Excel, or Airtable and customize everything with 30 plus column types. Multiple views. Switch between Kanban, calendar, timeline, and gallery views to make sense of your data in a way that works best for you. Real-time collaboration. Share filtered views with teammates or clients, collect data through forms, and add comments, checklists, and deadlines, all in one place. Custom dashboards. Visualize key metrics with widgets like charts, summary boxes, and goal trackers. Plus, pull in live data from apps like Meta Ads, YouTube, and Google Analytics. Automation made easy. Set up Zapier-style automations to update records, send emails, or even trigger WhatsApp messages, all without lifting a finger. Managing your business doesn't have to feel like juggling 100 different tools. With Stackby, you can simplify your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and keep everything organized in one place. So why wait? Get lifetime access to Stackby today and take control of your data like never before. Click the link in the description to get started. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more productivity tips.